Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is an update of the ongoing construction of the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway project. The Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway project is a huge effort to connect two big cities along the country's southern coast to make it easier for people and goods to transit. This project actually will make the region better connected, help businesses grow and make transportation smoother. The highway project will be like a main road for trade and businesses linking Lagos, a busy city in the west, to Calabar, a lively port city in the eastern part of Nigeria. Currently on site, one can see dumpers moving in materials and sandfilling the area to prepare the surface for construction. Also, construction of certain buildings along the highway have been suspended, especially by investors, to give room for proper setting out of the project alignment in order for the construction to be done without hindrances. Embarking on this huge project will foster new opportunities for communities and businesses, making a big difference in the Nigerian economy and society. Nigeria's largest infrastructure project is the 700 km highway. What this means is that the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway project is Nigeria's largest infrastructure project, which is 700 km in size. The construction of this highway will require a cost of 15 trillion naira, translating to 4 billion naira per kilometer. The highway's construction will progress in stages over an anticipated 8 years period. The initial phase will consist of a 47.47 km dual carriageway featuring 5 lanes on each side, complemented by a central rail line. This extensive highway project is set to link Lagos with Cross River State, traversing through several states including Ogun State, Ondo, Delta State, Bayelsa, Rivers State and Akwa Ibom. Additionally, it will incorporate 2 spurs branching out towards the northern part of Nigeria. One good thing about this project is that it aims to enhance connectivity and foster economic growth along Nigeria's coastline, facilitating seamless links between key urban centers, ports, and economic hubs. Moreover, it is anticipated to unlock additional premium land and beachfront areas while alleviating congestion in Lekki, potentially reducing travel time from Lagos to Calabar from 12 hours to 7 hours. Due to a lot of controversies that have marred this project, the federal government unveiled the redesigned route for the 700 km Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway project. The highway actually connects 9 states and commences from 0 point of Ahmadu Bello Way in Victoria Island. Recall that recently, the Minister of Works met with stakeholders to discuss the project concept and issues on the right-of-way and the impact on businesses along the route, compensation plans for those areas affected, and the highway route. A major takeaway was the need to review the route and compensate those whose businesses, properties, and other investments will be adversely affected. This formed the reason for the second stakeholders meeting on the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway project, with the minister engaging with stakeholders to unveil the agreed redesign routes. According to the minister, the technically approved redesign route for the coastal highway is in the country's best interest, and over 150 duplexes and high-rise buildings have been saved. In the new route, there is provision for real estate development and tourism activities. The minister also announced a first phase compensation of about 2.75 billion naira for businesses along the axis of Channel 0 to 3 of the coastal highway project. It was also noted that according to the Supreme Court judgment, the 250 meters coastal line by the shore is for the federal government of Nigeria. Despite this project being one of the most important projects in the history of Nigeria, it has been one controversy since the Federal Executive Council approved the 1.06 trillion naira contract for the construction of the first phase of the 700 km Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway project. No sooner than the contractor had commenced the construction of the 10-lane superhighway from Lagos End than people not impressed by the manner in which the project was awarded began to raise doubts about the credibility of the project and the options of finance adopted. Despite the justification put up by its promoters, the federal government of Nigeria, through the Minister of Works, a lot of citizens, including politicians, impacted property owners, and public analysts, have not stopped to raise questions about the manner by which the contract for the superhighway was awarded to the contractors without a competitive bidding process. Many citizens also queried how the government arrived at the contract sum, the demolition of properties on the road's right-of-way without compensation, and issues about the project environmental and social impact assessment report, amongst others. As the federal government confronts political parties opposing the project on one hand, it is also battling issues with the affected property owners on the other hand. Recall that the federal government started work on the 700 km Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway in March 2024. It is designed to extend through 9 states with 2 spurs leading to northern states. Section 2 of this project refers to the stretch from Shagamu to Benin City in the southern part of Nigeria. Section 2 starts from Shagamu in Ogun State, passes through Ore in Ondo State and ends at Benin in Edo State of Nigeria. It covers a total distance of approximately 230 kilometers. Some of the features of Section 2 involves a dual carriageway. The highway will be a dual carriageway with 2 lanes on each direction. There will also be several interchanges along the route to facilitate smooth traffic flow. Regular services areas will be provided for rest, fueling and vehicle maintenance. 2 plazas will be constructed to generate revenue for the project maintenance and upkeep, whilst pedestrian walkways and cyclist lanes will be included to ensure safety for non-motorized road users. Some of the benefits for Section 2 includes improved connectivity. The project, according to design, will enhance connectivity between the western and eastern region of Nigeria. The project will also stimulate economic growth by reducing travel time, improve access to market, and increasing trade between Shagamu and Benin City. The construction and maintenance of the highway will create employment and opportunities for thousands of Nigeria. It will also reduce travel time between Shagamu and Benin City, which will make it easier for people to travel and do business or leisure. Some of the challenges within these sections includes environmental impact. The project may have environmental implications such as deforestation and habitat destructions. The construction of the highway may lead to the displacement of communities along the route. Also, the project requires significant funding, which can be a challenge given Nigeria's economic constraints. Section 3 of the project, which spans from Benin to Warri, is a significant part of the project. The section stretches from Benin City to Edo State, covering a distance of approximately 100 kilometers. The proposed route passes through the town of Benin, Sapele and Warri, connecting major economic centers and industrial hubs in the region. This section of the highway will feature a dual carriageway with 4 lanes, service lanes, interchanges and flyovers to ensure smooth traffic flow and reduce travel time. The completion of this section will improve connectivity, boost economic growth and enhance the movement of goods and services in the region. The project is still under development and the construction timeline is yet to be confirmed. However, the Nigerian government has shown commitment to completing the project. Section 4 of the project starts from Warri in Delta State and passes through Bayelsa and Rivers State before terminating at Port Harcourt. It has an approximate length of 140 kilometers and the section includes the construction of a new highway, bridges, interchanges and other auxiliary infrastructure. The project is still in the planning and design phase with ongoing discussions on funding and implementations. Finally, Section 5 of the project refers to the stretch from Port Harcourt to Calabar in Cross River State. This stretch is designed to be a dual carriageway with 2 lanes in each direction, 3 interchanges at Odukbani Junction, Itu and Calabar, 2 bridges at Great Kwa River and Calabar River, service lanes and laybys for emergency stops, and a challenging terrain for construction. The benefit of the project in this axis includes improved connectivity between Calabar and surrounding cities, enhanced economic growth through increased trade and commerce, reduced travel time and improved road safety, job creation and stimulation of local economies during construction. Please note that the project details may be subject to change due to site conditions. However, we'll keep bringing you more information as the project continues. Guys, do well to drop your honest comment, tell us what you think, don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you.